Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We're so happy you are here with us today.
Today's topic is very useful. At the hotel.
Yes, when you travel, you often stay in a hotel. So today, we will help you speak English at a hotel easily.
We will learn simple phrases, real conversations, and practice together.
Remember, listen, repeat, and don't worry about mistakes.
Exactly. You are learning, and that is amazing.
Before we start, don't forget to follow and share this podcast. It really helps us.
All right, let's begin.
Situation 1, arriving at the hotel. Imagine you arrive at a hotel. You go to the front desk. What do you say?
You can say, "Hello, I have a reservation."
Repeat with us. Hello, I have a reservation.
Good job. One more time. Hello, I have a reservation.
Great. Now let's make a small conversation. Listen first.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Sure. What is your name?
My name is Rahul Sharma.
Yes, Mr. Sharma. Your room is ready.
Now let's practice together. I'll speak, you repeat. Hello, I have a reservation.
What is your name?
My name is Rahul Sharma.
Perfect. You're doing great already. Situation 2, asking for ID.
At the hotel, they may ask for ID.
Yes, they may say, "Can I see your ID, please?" Repeat. Can I see your ID, please?
Your answer can be, "Yes, here it is."
Repeat. Yes, here it is.
Let's do the full dialogue. Listen first.
Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
Now you try. Situation 3, asking about the room.
Sometimes you want to ask questions about your room.
For example, is breakfast included?
Repeat. Is breakfast included?
Another useful question. What time is checkout?
Repeat. What time is checkout?
Let's make a conversation. Listen.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Now repeat after us. Is breakfast included?
What time is checkout?
Nice. Keep going. You're improving.
Situation 4, asking for help.
Sometimes you need help. You can say, "Can you help me?"
Repeat. Can you help me?
Or, "I have a problem."
Repeat. I have a problem.
Let's try a real example.
Can you help me?
Of course. What's the problem?
The air conditioner is not working.
Now you try saying it.
The air conditioner is not working. Very good.
Situation 5. Ordering food in the hotel. Many hotels have room service.
You can say, I would like to order food.
Repeat. I would like to order food.
Example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Nice and simple.
Another example. I would like tea and toast. Let's practice.
I would like tea and toast.
Great job.
Situation 6. Checking out. Now it's time to leave the hotel.
You say, I would like to check out.
Repeat. I would like to check out.
Simple conversation. Listen.
I would like to check out.
Sure. How was your stay?
It was good. Thank you.
Now repeat. It was good. Thank you.
Very nice.
Situation 7. Asking for Wi-Fi. Let's start with a very common need. Wi-Fi.
Yes, almost everyone asks for internet.
You can say, "What is the Wi-Fi password?"
Repeat. What is the Wi-Fi password?
Again, slowly. What is the Wi-Fi password?
Good job.
Another way. Is Wi-Fi free?
Repeat. Is Wi-Fi free?
Let's listen to a short conversation.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
The password is written on the card.
Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes, it is free.
Now your turn. Speak with us. What is the Wi-Fi password?
Is Wi-Fi free?
Nice. You sound more confident already. Situation 8. Asking for extra items.
Sometimes you need extra things in your room.
Like towels, pillows, or water.
You can say, "Can I have an extra towel?"
Repeat. Can I have an extra towel?
Another example. "Can I get one more pillow?"
Repeat. Can I get one more pillow?
Let's listen.
Can I have an extra towel?
Sure, we will send it to your room.
Can I get one more pillow?
Yes, of course.
Now you try. Can I have an extra towel?
Can I get one more pillow?
Very good. Keep practicing. Situation 9. Asking about hotel facilities.
Hotels have many facilities like gym, pool, or restaurant.
You can ask, is there a gym?
Repeat. Is there a gym?
Another question. Where is the restaurant?
Repeat. Where is the restaurant?
Listen to this conversation.
Is there a gym?
Yes, it is on the second floor.
Where's the restaurant?
It is next to the lobby.
Now your turn. Is there a gym?
Where's the restaurant?
Great job. You are asking questions clearly.
Situation 10. Asking for directions inside hotel. Sometimes hotels are big. You may get confused.
Yes, then you can ask, where is my room?
Repeat. Where is my room?
Or, how do I go to the lift?
Repeat. How do I go to the lift?
Listen carefully.
Where is my room?
Your room is on the 3rd floor.
How do I go to the lift?
Go straight and turn left.
Now you speak. Where is my room?
How do I go to the lift?
Perfect. Situation 11. Making a complaint.
Sometimes there is a problem. Don't worry. You can speak politely.
You can say, there is a problem in my room.
Repeat. There is a problem in my room.
Another sentence. The room is not clean.
Repeat. The room is not clean.
Listen to the conversation.
There is a problem in my room.
I'm sorry. What is the problem?
The room is not clean.
We will clean it right away.
Now your turn. There is a problem in my room.
The room is not clean. Good. You are learning how to complain politely. Situation 12. Asking about payment. Now let's talk about money and payment.
You can ask, can I pay by card?
Repeat. Can I pay by card?
Or, can I pay in cash?
Repeat. Can I pay in cash?
Listen carefully.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card.
Can I pay in cash?
Yes, cash is also okay.
Now you try. Can I pay by card?
Can I pay in cash?
Excellent.
Situation 13. Asking for early check-in. Sometimes you arrive early at the hotel.
Yes, and your room may not be ready.
You can ask, can I check in early?
Repeat. Can I check in early?
Again, can I check in early?
Another useful sentence. Is my room ready?
Repeat, is my room ready?
Let's listen to a conversation.
Can I check in early?
Let me check. Yes, your room is ready.
Is my room ready?
Yes, you can go to your room.
Now your turn. Can I check in early?
Is my room ready?
Nice. You are speaking clearly. Situation 14. Asking for late checkout.
Now imagine you want to leave late.
You can say, can I check out late?
Repeat. Can I check out late?
Another sentence. I need more time.
Repeat. I need more time.
Listen to the conversation.
Can I check out late?
Yes, you can check out at 1 p.m.
I need more time.
Okay, no problem.
Now you try. Can I check out late?
I need more time. Very nice. Situation 15. Asking about room service time. Room service is very helpful.
Yes, but you need to know the time.
You can ask, what time is room service?
Repeat. What time is room service?
Another question. Is room service available now?
Repeat. Is room service available now?
Let's listen.
What time is room service?
Room service is from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Is room service available now?
Yes, it is available.
Now your turn. What time is room service?
Is room service available now? Great job. Situation 16. Asking for laundry service. Many hotels offer laundry service.
Yes, very useful when you travel.
You can say, do you have laundry service?
Repeat. Do you have laundry service?
Another sentence. When will my clothes be ready?
Repeat. When will my clothes be ready?
Listen to this conversation.
Do you have laundry service?
Yes, we do.
When will my clothes be ready?
They will be ready tomorrow.
Now you try. Do you have laundry service?
When will my clothes be ready? Nice. Situation 17. Asking for wake-up call. Sometimes you need to wake up early.
Yes, especially for travel or meetings.
You can say, can you give me a wake-up call?
Repeat. Can you give me a wake-up call?
Another sentence. Please wake me up at 6 a.m.
Repeat. Please wake me up at 6 a.m.
Listen carefully.
Can you give me a wake-up call?
Yes, what time?
Please wake me up at 6 a.m.
Sure, we will call you.
Now your turn. Can you give me a wake-up call?
Please wake me up at 6 a.m. Excellent. Situation 18. Talking about your stay. Now let's talk about your experience.
You can say, my stay is comfortable.
Repeat. My stay is comfortable.
Or, the staff is very helpful.
Repeat.
The staff is very helpful.
Listen to the conversation. How is your stay?
My stay is comfortable.
That's great to hear.
The staff is very helpful.
Thank you so much.
Now you try. My stay is comfortable.
The staff is very helpful. Very nice.
Practice section. Listen, speak.
Now let's practice everything together.
I will say a sentence. You repeat. Hello, I have a reservation.
My name is Rahul Sharma.
Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
Is breakfast included?
What time is checkout?
Can you help me?
I would like to order food.
I would like to check out.
Amazing. You are speaking full sentences now.
Now let's practice everything together. Speak with us. What is the Wi-Fi password?
Can I have an extra towel?
Is there a gym?
Where is my room?
There is a problem in my room.
Can I pay by card?
Again, one more time. What is the Wi-Fi password?
Can I get one more pillow?
Where is the restaurant?
How do I go to the lift?
The room is not clean.
Can I pay in cash?
Amazing. You are speaking full hotel English now. Now let's practice all sentences together. Speak loudly.
Can I check in early? Can I check out late?
What time is room service?
Do you have laundry service?
Can you give me a wake-up call?
My stay is comfortable.
Again, one more time. Is my room ready?
I need more time.
Is room service available now?
When will my clothes be ready?
Please wake me up at 6 a.m.
The staff is very helpful.
Amazing. You are improving step by step.
Wrap up.
Let's quickly review today's key phrases.
Hello.
Can I see your ID, please?
Is breakfast included?
What time is checkout?
Can you help me?
I would like to check out.
You learned so many useful sentences today.
And remember, practice every day. Even small practice helps a lot.
You are improving step by step. Keep going.
Before we go, here's a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, have you ever stayed in a hotel? What did you say first?
We'd love to hear from you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.